Namaste. I'm Sri Hari, Product Manager, Realme India. And today I am happy to be in front of you with the brand new Narzo series. Now, after the Narzo 10A, it's time for something new. Yes, the Narzo 10 will bring you some epic performance, but first, let's check how the new kit in town looks like. How about it? Good, right? Honestly, the color variants are just gorgeous. We have two colors for the Narzo 10. One is called that green, and the other one is that white. Designs that are subtle, yet make you stand out. You might notice that the Narzo 10 has an unusually good design. Well, the reason for that is that it has been designed by the legendary designer Naoto Fukasawa. Mr. Fukasawa is very well known for his simplistic yet unique approach in design. Like the Realme X Master Edition, which was inspired by onion and garlic, we brought designs that were premium special edition designs to the Narzo 10. Premium master design created by a design master, that is the Narzo 10. That white is not only a soothing design to look at, but the texture at the back makes it soft to touch and also minimizes fingerprints. On the other hand, the designer tried a different color, that green, making the whole design more unique than any other phone in this price segment. In fact, it's in my hand right now. Take a closer look at it. What do you think about it? This is a real design and real masterpiece. The special coating process makes the Narzo 10 more and more sophisticated. After the design, let's talk about the performance. Good performance will be at the core for all Narzo products, and we believe the Narzo 10 is one of the most powerful phones in this price. We are glad to announce that the Narzo 10 is the first phone in India to come with MediaTek Helio G80 processor. We believe it is the best gaming chipset in its category. As the inheritor of Helio G90T, G80 maintains the high standard of gaming experience. For example, the Hyper Engine inside Helio G80 could simply defer the calls while gaming so that you don't have to stop gaming even when there is an incoming call. The Helio G80 is made up of a pair of Cortex A75 cores and 6 Cortex A55 cores, so that the whole CPU provides a 35% increase in single-core performance and 17% increase in multi-core performance. Besides, the Mali G52 GPU enhances the graphic performance by another 25%. Well, you have seen the power of the Helio G80, but I know what you guys are waiting for. You're waiting to see the benchmarks. So the Narzo 10 with the Helio G80 scores a whopping 201,278. This score is amazingly good and is on par with many mid-range processors that power much more premium devices. Compared with some other popular devices with popular mid-range chipsets like our devices, for example, the Realme 5 Pro that comes with Snapdragon 712, the Narzo 10 outperforms even that on AnTuTu score, which shows the outstanding power inside the Narzo 10 and that this phone is setting a high standard for performance in its price segment. Let's have a look at the gaming performance. We took the Narzo 10 and we tried to play Mobile Legends and PUBG with it. Now, on Mobile Legends, the average frame rate while gaming for the Narzo 10 was close to 60 FPS. It means you can enjoy smooth and responsive gaming just as if you have a high-end smartphone. If you're a gamer, I know you're going to love this. Here's another surprise for you. The Narzo 10 comes with a whopping 128 GB storage inside, which makes it one of the only phones in this segment to do that. How about the camera? You might be very eager to know about the optics on the Narzo 10. Well, let's have a look. A 48 megapixel camera powers the quad camera setup on the Narzo 10. The 48 megapixel quad camera features a higher resolution sensor so that your pictures can be more clear and full of details. With the larger sensor size, the 48 megapixel main camera performs better in low light conditions too. The 119 degrees ultra wide angle lens provides 4 times field of view, that's this wide, than ordinary. The portrait lens allows you to make more professional portraits just like you were a pro photographer. And the icing on the cake is that the macro lens allows you to capture smaller details of life. Let's see how these cameras perform in real life. On the left, it portrays the experience that you would have without a wide-angle camera, where you can see a lot, but not the whole picture. The wide-angle camera just opens up your perspective. We notice that a lot of users also really enjoy taking macro shots. So the 4 centimeter macro lens will keep you immersed in macro photography. The Narzo 10 is also equipped with a portrait lens. You can easily take portraits in different scenes with different light effects. Also, the Narzo 10 comes equipped with Super Nightscape mode, which allows you to take photos under the dark environment. Compared to normal mode, Nightscape photos come with more details in shadows and highlights and have much more balance in the exposure. Now, we also know that the selfie camera is becoming more and more important to our users. That's why the front camera is a 16 megapixel sensor on the Narzo 10. According to what we saw in our surveys, performance and camera were the two most important. Well, what was the third part? Battery life. In Narzo 10, we have managed to pack in a massive 5000 mAh battery. It's actually the largest battery that we have in Realme phones. Without a doubt, a larger battery means longer durability. The 5000 mAh battery is big enough to charge other devices too. For example, the Narzo 10 could charge the Realme Buds Air more than 5 times. Along with the big battery, the brand new Narzo 10 comes with an 18-watt quick charger in the box. And this will effectively shorten the charge time by 18.6%. And the good news is that the Narzo 10 also has USB Type-C. So don't forget, this also supports QC standards. Simultaneously, we also have some updates on the experience. We retain the large screen that users like, 6.5 inches, with a water drop notch that makes the screen-to-body ratio go up to 89.8%. No matter if you're playing games or watching videos, the large screen on the Narzo 10 provides an immersive experience. At the same time, the eye care mode within the Narzo 10 makes sure that your eyes don't hurt, so that even if you're using the phone for a long time, you will be safe. We also have made efforts on the power management algorithms. Through the detection of idle apps, Narzo 10 could intelligently freeze them to save the power so that you can utilize the battery more effectively. That's all about the Narzo 10. Time to recap.
Let's go!
Realme Narzo 10, 48 megapixels, quad cam, epic performance. Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
Presenting the Narzo 10, the 48 megapixel performance pack for all gamers and entertainment lovers. I hope you will like it. Well, I really hope you guys love it. Back to you, Madhav.
I agree, it's an amazing design. Thanks Sri and thanks Nidhi for presenting the very first two Narzo smartphones, the 48 megapixel camera phone with epic gaming performance and a triple cam A-class power pack. At the first two starters of Narzo offerings, Narzo 10A and 10 will simply offer more power than any other options in its price segments. I hope you still remember the Nato Fukasawa designs of onion and garlic. This is one of them, which has been stripped down to Narzo 10. Just look at the Master Edition design, which I was telling you about. So premium and unique, something you have never seen at this price point. It also is packed with a Helios G80 with 5000 mAh battery. Narzo 10 is going to be a perfect gaming phone with the most powerful processor, the best battery performance, the largest screen view. But there's one more thing that really makes it stand out from the crowd. Yes, Narzo 10 will give you the one and only 128 GB ROM at this price point. So, we have 4 GB, 128 GB in Narzo 10, and it's going to be priced at 11,999 rupees. That's all for our first Narzo series launch. I hope you will like both the A-class and epic phones with the best-in-class gaming capabilities. Even if the world is at a hard time, Realme will always be there to give you many more surprises. Even all of us are separated everywhere. Smartphones and technologies are connecting us all. We are in this time together, and we will overcome all the difficulties. I'm pretty sure about it. Stay fit, stay healthy. See you guys soon.
Let's go!
Realme Narzo 10, 48 megapixels, quad cam, epic performance. Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
Grandpapa had a metal plate from his time served in the war. But when it came to taking medicine. The man was non-compliant. He tell me, hey, what would you say if I could build a little vessel that would take us to another time and place?
Realme Narzo 10A, triple camera, A-class performance. Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
Let's go.
Realme Narzo 10, 48 megapixels, quad cam, epic performance. Realme smartphone, dare to leap.